Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best, most intriguing products you can find online. And today, we're talking about the best 1,000-piece landscape jigsaw puzzle out there. The Autumn Landscape Jigsaw Puzzle by VOLUVOLU. This one features a villa, a dog, and a picturesque fall setting that's going to win over every puzzle enthusiast from beginners to pros. Imagine sitting at your table with a warm drink, cozy music, and a puzzle that brings a peaceful mountain villa to life piece by piece. That's exactly the experience this puzzle is designed to offer. Let's break it down and see why this is more than just another 1,000-piece puzzle. When you open the box, here's what you get. 1,000 high-quality jigsaw pieces, a full-sized reference poster, and even a mesh storage bag to keep everything organized, a thoughtful touch that puzzle fans will really appreciate. The puzzle measures 28 by 20 inches when completed, which gives you a decently large canvas to work on, big enough to appreciate the detail, but manageable for most tables. The artwork itself is what makes this puzzle shine. It features a warm-toned autumn landscape, a serene villa, glistening water reflecting the golden sun, mountain silhouettes, blooming flowers, and two playful dogs. So whether you're puzzling solo or with family, it meets you where you are. Putting it together is a calming yet engaging experience. You start with large color blocks, the sky, water, and villa. But as you get into the flower beds, cobblestones, and furry details of the dogs, you'll find yourself slowing down, getting absorbed into the intricacies. This puzzle is more than just entertainment, it becomes a little mindfulness practice. You focus, you slow your breath, and before you know it, hours have flown by. This puzzle makes a perfect gift. It's great for adults who enjoy quiet hobbies, for teens who want a screen break, and even for seniors who benefit from the mental stimulation. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, Thanksgiving get-togethers, or as a relaxing weekend project. And thanks to its beautiful design, once you finish it, you might even want to frame it as wall art. At just under $10, this puzzle offers a premium feel, thoughtful features, and universal appeal. It's rare to find a puzzle that blends art, challenge, and accessibility so well, but this one nails it. No missing pieces, a calming theme, and a packaging experience that shows care. That's it for today's product critique. If you're looking for the perfect landscape puzzle to gift or enjoy, this might just be it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the best products online. See you next time.